falling into the bushes, well, it's great because I fell for this and it's really, really good. And it's a berry kind of dessert, which is really healthy for you. Heavy cream. I might top it up with a little whipped cream and chocolate if you want. Vanilla extract. I had a lot of raspberries, so I froze some. What you really want to do to make this, you want the berries frozen a little bit for about an hour before. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I love powdered sugar. We're going to whisk this until it's stiff. So we're going to give that a stir. Wow, that smells nice. I can't wait. I can't wait anymore. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Danny's Raspberry Patch. Do you know these raspberries here grew from a little plant? And what I like about raspberries is perennial. So it grows every year and it spreads from a little plant. It really spread a lot. And every day I get raspberries because raspberries are very expensive. So you can see here, I pick raspberries just about every day now. And I water them. Well, they like water. And they like to hide too. Oh, I can almost fall in there. But, hi, and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today I have a very delicious dessert I've fallen for, if you know what I mean. But really, falling into the bushes, well, it's great because I fell for this and it's really, really good. And it's a berry kind of dessert, which is really healthy for you. Sort of. A little bit fattening, but I can use calories. So grab a cup of coffee and I'll tell you what you need. That's good. Goes with coffee too. Of course, everything goes with coffee. And it's a light type of dessert with the berries. And really, I've given it to my family and they love it. Instead of ice cream, you can make this and it's easy. 1, 2, 3 and you're done. But what I need now, I buy organic whenever I can. So I have heavy cream. I might top it up with a little whipped cream and chocolate if you want. Vanilla extract, powdered sugar, blueberries, strawberries, and of course my raspberries. Now I've had a lot of raspberries, so I froze some. What you really want to do to make this, you want the berries frozen a little bit for about an hour before. So come on into my kitchen and let's make a dessert that I think you're going to fall for too. I really am. So, because it's a healthy dessert. It's an alternative instead of ice cream. I don't want ice cream tonight, so let's have a berry kind of dessert that's really, really delicious. And it's really a pretty looking dessert. I'm going to put it in these new little cups. You see I got these little cups. You could put chocolate in there as well. So let's go make it. Come on into my kitchen and let's have a good time making this because I think you're going to like it. So we're going to combine 1 cup of heavy cream, like that, and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I love powdered sugar. I like anything with powdered sugar. I really do. And, of course, the vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So, and we're going to combine it. We're going to whisk this until it's stiff. So, you don't have to hear that. Okay, I'll do that while you don't have to wait. But the second step we're going to do is we're going to take our berries and put it in the blender. And we're going to just put that on pulse. Okay? That will be the next step. 3 berries on pulse and get that a little bit, mixed. Not too much, but enough. So I whipped the cream. Doesn't that look beautiful? And I tasted it too. Have to do that. I'm the type of kid that when my mom made a cake, I would take my finger and go right through the icing. And she'd be like, but on my birthday, I said, hey, it's my birthday. I'm having that. I'm going to do that to the cake. And I always did it. But now we're going to pulse the berries as well. We're going to give it a little pulse. I think it's done. And then we're going to put it together. We'll come back. So now I'm just going to add from my mixer in here. And we're going to give that a stir. Wow, that smells nice. And we're going to keep going until... I don't like to put the blender on and you have to hear it. So, well, you can add chocolate to this if you wanted, or chocolate on top. And that's what we have. And then we're going to add it to our little dessert dishes. And we're going to take a taste. Now you can refrigerate this, which I'm going to do. But right now I'm going to take a taste of this delicious dessert. Should I put some whipped cream on that? Of course I should. And we'll come back and we'll take a taste. Maybe you made yours and we could taste it together. Right, that's great. So I layered it with some chocolate. What a rush, huh? And now I'm going to add some whipped cream to this. Come on. And we have a sugar rush dessert. Does that look beautiful? I don't know about you, but I'm ready to take a taste. Are you? So let's do this. I can't wait. I can't wait anymore. I've been picking. Wow. That's as good as ice cream, really. Oh, I love it. I think I'm going to make it a lot. I really do. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Come again, we'll be cooking up a storm. I'm a fitness instructor. I like crafts. I like talks. I like anything, but most of all, I like being with you. And I love your comments. Thank you for taking your time to comment on my videos. I really appreciate it. You know, it helps me grow as a YouTuber as well. So that's why I like that. So come again and have a real nice day. Bye for now.